In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Expensify. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to start managing receipts, expenses, or bill payments with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to expensify.com. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site so you're in the right place and your information stays secure. The homepage will clearly guide you into the sign-up flow, so you won't need to hunt around. Next, enter your email address. You can use a business email if you're setting this up for a team, or a personal email if you're tracking your own expenses. Type it into the email field, then click Join. If you prefer, you can choose Get Started with Google, which connects your Google account for a quick sign-in experience. If you go that route, you may see a brief prompt asking for permission to link your account. Just review and continue. Either option works. Choose the one that best matches how you plan to log in day to day. Now you'll be asked how you plan to use Expensify. Pick the purpose that fits your needs, whether that's managing a team's expenses, tracking personal receipts, or paying bills. This selection helps tailor your initial setup and recommendations. Don't stress too much about the choice. You can adjust your settings later as your needs change. When prompted, enter your first and last name. Use the name you want to appear on reports and approvals, especially if you're collaborating with a team. Keeping this accurate helps avoid confusion when you start sending or receiving expense reports. Next comes email verification. Head to your inbox and look for a message from Expensify with an authorization code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Copy the code from the email, return to the verification screen, paste or type it into the field, and click Verify. Codes usually expire after a short time, so it's best to do this step promptly. If the code doesn't arrive, use the resend option and make sure you entered the correct email. Once verified, your account is active. You'll land in your Expensify workspace where you can start exploring features based on the purpose you selected. That's all it takes. Visit the website, enter your email, choose your purpose, add your name, and verify your email. You're now ready to make expense tracking faster and more organized.